channel Shriyahood. So today's video is a highly requested video which is study hacks. So these study hacks are actually to improve your memory for your exams, and suppose you learn a concept 2 months before your exam, so then also you'll be able to remember all the things if you follow these study hacks. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first hack is that you should always study in a quiet place. Always remember, you should always study in a quiet place, and if noises are coming, so you will not be able to concentrate on what you're learning, right? If it is not possible for you to study in a quiet place, or if you are somewhere else where noises are coming, so you can put earphones also in your ear and listen to some calm music, in any music in which you are feeling comfortable to learn. So the second hack is teach yourself what you have learned. Yes, and that's because if you will teach yourself, for suppose if you learn any answer, if you read any answer, then you have to explain yourself whatever you have understood, and in this way you'd be able to learn your concept more properly. Just like your teacher explains anything to you after reading the concept, same thing you have to do with yourself. Okay, so the third study hack is that take a break in regular interval of time, and that's because if you take a break in regular interval of time, then you would be able to concentrate more properly. Like in the break you can roam here and there, listen to some music, you can dance so that your mood will be better to study, etc. And this is only for 5 to 10 minutes break, and after that you can again start studying. So the fourth hack is that you should always avoid watching television during your studies. And that's because if you watch television during your studies, then you will not be able to learn anything, and on the day of the exam you will not remember anything. So and if you want to do something else during your studies, so you can listen to any music which is very calm and relaxing, and that would be better option, right? Yes, of course you can watch television during any writing work, if you have to do some homework which your teacher has given. So at that time you can watch television, but not to watch during learning time. So the fifth hack is that you should neither have a super comfortable place for study nor have a super uncomfortable place. And this is a very important point, because if you have a super comfortable place like your bed, so you'll fall asleep very easily. And if you have a super uncomfortable place such as an uncomfortable chair or a stool, then you'll not be able to concentrate, and then you'll think that I don't have to study. So yes, remember, place should be proper, not so comfortable, not so uncomfortable. So the sixth hack is that discover new ways to learn. And that's what I do, because there are so many ways to learn, new ways to learn, and also you can try to learn any concept in your own words, and that's what I do. And that's why I can remember anything during my exams. Yeah, also if you are learning in your own words, you are more comfortable in your studies. And whenever I learn something, so I keep remembering the things like the color of the page, the things that were written, the extra things that were written in the book, all those things I recall during my exams. Okay, so the seventh hack is that you may have cool school supplies to show interest in your studies. For suppose this is a normal pencil, right? And if you have a normal pencil or anything normal, so you might feel boring or something else. And this is a pencil top. Actually, this is a DIY pencil top that I made. And if I'll fix my pencil in this, so it looks more interesting, and that's why I can take much more interest in studies. And one more example, yes, this highlighter. You should have any highlighter so that you can highlight anything written in your book, any key point you can highlight, so that during giving your exam you can recall that thing or any sentence which you have highlighted. And whenever we highlight something in book, we always remember that thing, not only in exam but always. Okay, so the 8th point is that you should always do meditation, and this is the most important way to learn anything properly. And that's because if you will do meditation, then you can refresh your mind and you can find new ways to learn, and you can also learn unlimited concepts, because it increases your concentration level and maybe IQ level also. So meditate at least 10 minutes daily. Okay, so the 9th study hack is that early morning is the best time in a day to learn anything. And that's because if you learn anything in early morning, then you will be able to learn it more quickly, and that's because you're having a fresh mind at that time, right? And also you can remember whatever you have learned for a long time. So the last but not the least, which is 10th study hack, is which we are hearing from our elders also, and that is practice makes a man perfect. And that's because if you will do regular study, then only you will be able to remember anything properly, because study is not a one-day process, right? And especially maths, Sanskrit and physics, etc., because these subjects require daily practice, and that's because they are a scoring subject also. So always remember, practice makes a man perfect. And always remember that you should always eat healthy food, healthy diet, always do meditation, always keep your mind cool, do exercise regularly, drink water in regular interval of time, and also sleep on a proper time, and also make your schedule proper. Wake up early, and from today be an early riser, not a night owl. Okay, so it's all for today. Hope you liked my video, and if you did so please comment down below. And yeah, one more thing, your comments always inspire me to make new videos, friends. So yeah, keep commenting in the comment section below if you have any requests. So you are free to do any request, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell for more videos. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you later, friends.